back. You're watching Overdrive. Over the last few months, we've sent Bert out on a series of road trips to luxury destinations. And he's been enjoying it so much that he decided to do one more. I don't blame him. Here's Bert in the Toyota Corolla Altis driving through Delhi, Agra and Jaipur.
We are back on the road in our little, actually not so little, but a lot more comfortable Toyota Corolla Altis. This time, we're driving through the Golden Triangle, which touches the cities of Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. On this drive, we're going to stay at three very exclusive properties. Properties that are known for their luxury and grandeur, but also for their proximity to some of the most historic landmarks in India. These are the Trident Hotels. This is the Trident Gurgaon, an idyllic and tranquil oasis set amidst the chaos of the Delhi, Gurgaon and NCR region. This is a superbly constructed hotel designed to mimic the atmosphere of a luxury resort. The building is one of the most stunning complexes, standing amidst the mighty glass, steel and concrete jungle that makes up Gurgaon. Its use of large open spaces and ample water bodies gives it a lazy mood. It also offers some very interesting cuisine, with 3 restaurants offering eclectic fare. I, however, love the small Japanese nook tucked away in a corner of the multi-cuisine restaurant, Cilantro. And so we're leaving behind the Trident Gurgaon. We're headed to Agra, and we're going to hit the Trident Agra, but more importantly, we're going to see the Taj Mahal out there. The part of NH2 between Delhi and Agra is messy and chaotic to about 60 kilometers outside of Delhi. But once you get past Faridabad, traffic gets thinner, the road starts flowing smoothly, and well, progress is fairly quick, all the way up to Agra. However, there is going to be an option in the next couple of years, the Greater Noida Agra Yamuna Expressway, which promises to cut down travel time considerably between these two cities, as well as stress. It's going to be a lot less stressful to drive on that highway. But whichever highway you're on, it really doesn't matter in the Toyota Corolla because it's comfortable everywhere. And who better to vouch for the Corolla's famed comfort quotient than Gaurav Gill, Indian National Rally Champion, APRC winner and a jury member on the CNBC Overdrive Award panel.
I think the suspension on this Corolla is pretty good. It's a little on the stiffer side, especially when you're driving on at slow speeds. But as you get up to about 60-70 kilometers an hour, it just settles in pretty nicely. And if you have 4 people on board, I think it's perfect, perfectly sprung and good damping overall. I think the tires are good. They've got decent amount of profile, which helps the suspension to act well, and it can take over and go through most of the big potholes that you have to go across through your town, I think.
The Trident Agra is very conveniently located just about a kilometer short of the world-famous Taj Mahal. So accessing this truly unique World Heritage Site takes little effort. It's a comfortable place to unwind in. The rooms are cozy and the food tasty. Of course, the bonus is that most of the greens dished out from the kitchen comes from their very own gardens. A lot of what is consumed in the restaurant is grown right here in these farms. After a comfortable night spent so close to the Taj, it was time to head out to our next destination, roughly around 230 kilometers away. We're now leaving behind us the Trident Agra, and we're taking with us fond memories of the city, especially the Taj Mahal. But we're now headed to the Pink City, Jaipur, our final destination on this drive, the Trident Jaipur. The distance between Agra and Jaipur takes a little over 4 hours to cover, thanks to a well laid out dual carriageway. It has the usual chaos associated with any other highway in India. Yet there are no traffic holdups and everything moves along smoothly and quickly. Thanks to the Corolla 6-speed manual transmission, this car is a highly refined car to drive. It's a smooth and silent operator. But even better than that is its fuel efficiency. On a single tank full, which is roughly about 50 liters, you get a range of about 450 to 475 kilometers, driving at speeds of about 100 kilometers per hour. So that means you could easily drive from Delhi past Agra all the way up to Jaipur on just one tank full of petrol. We've traveled through two arms of the Golden Triangle. We started off from Delhi, we angled off at Agra, and now we're going to complete our journey here in Jaipur. We've just entered the Pink City, and this is the final point on that triangle. That point is the Trident Jaipur, whose building apes the architecture that has made Jaipur famous. The typically Rajasthani influence can't be missed. The Trident Jaipur is quite centrally located too, with several key forts and palaces located within a half-hour's drive away. And so our drive through the Golden Triangle, within the confines of the very luxurious and comfortable Toyota Corolla on the road, and the Trident group of hotels at each of our destinations, Delhi, Agra and Jaipur, has come to a breathtakingly stunning conclusion right here from the Nahargarh Fort, overlooking the city of Jaipur.
It's time for us to say goodbye to you on this episode of Overdrive, but do remember to tune in next week for a very special show as we begin the jury deliberations for the CNBC TV 18 Overdrive Awards at the Buddh International Formula One circuit. Catch all the action on that special show next week. Till then, goodbye.